see all the traffic, you see we're on the corner, right? It's for your safety, right? Okay, that's all. All right. But they can't see what's coming from that direction.
I can see
and
it.
if they get out here,
sure
then these people are going to go to the shoulder, right? That looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. That's not for trolling for walleye, is that right? Dave's County. You from around here originally? Or just going here? Okay. Yep, I was born in Illinois. A restaurant or like nice parties? Or? Okay.
I do a lot of raise $4,000 in
Awesome.
vehicle to the community. That the last boat I had, you ever been down there?